Welcome to the miraculous journey of conception, the process by which life begins. We'll take you through the intricate steps of fertilization, where a single sperm cell embarks on an incredible mission to unite with an egg. Story begins within the female reproductive system, where an egg patiently awaits its chance to be fertilized. Meanwhile, in the male reproductive system, millions of sperm cells are released during ejaculation, each racing toward the egg with determination. As the sperm cells journey through the reproductive tract, only one will successfully penetrate the outer layer of the egg, initiating the process of fertilization. Once inside, the genetic material from the sperm cell merges with the genetic material of the egg, forming a single, unique cell called a zygote. Over the next few days, the zygote undergoes rapid cell division, forming a cluster of cells called a blastocyst. The blastocyst then travels down the fallopian tube and implants itself into the lining of the uterus, where it will continue to grow and develop. And so, the journey of life begins, as the fertilized egg transforms into a complex organism, ready to embark on the adventure of existence. From the moment of conception, every life is a miracle, a testament to the extraordinary process of fertilization.
If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.